What if I told you that finding the right stocks today could change your financial future over the next decade? I'm talking about companies set to dominate their industries for years to come. Today we're diving deep into two such monster growth stocks. One is a titan in e-commerce, empowering millions of businesses worldwide to sell online like never before. The other is a pioneer in biotech, developing life-changing treatments for diseases that once had no answers. These aren't just any companies, they are game changers and potentially the cornerstones of your future wealth. We're going to break down why these two companies have the potential for explosive growth, and why holding them for the next 10 years could be one of the smartest financial decisions you'll ever make. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. You absolutely do not want to miss the insights we're about to share. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with our first monster growth stock, a company that has fundamentally changed how businesses operate online. I'm talking about Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. If you've ever bought something from an independent online store, there's a very good chance Shopify was powering that transaction behind the scenes. They are the backbone of a massive and still rapidly growing e-commerce ecosystem. Shopify isn't just a platform, it's an entire universe for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. From the solo artisan crafting unique goods in their garage to massive, globally recognized brands, Shopify provides the tools, technology and support needed to build, manage, and scale an online retail business. Think of it as the ultimate e-commerce operating system. Their mission is incredibly powerful: make commerce better for everyone. They level the playing field, giving smaller businesses the same powerful tools that were once only accessible to giant corporations. So, what exactly does Shopify offer? Well, it's a comprehensive suite of services. At its core, it allows users to create beautiful, customizable online storefronts without needing to know a single line of code, but it goes so much further than just a website builder. It's an all-in-one command center for online selling. They handle everything from product listings, inventory management, and secure payment processing through Shopify Payments, to shipping solutions with Shopify Shipping, and even marketing and analytics tools. This integrated approach simplifies the complexities of e-commerce, allowing merchants to focus on what they do best, creating and selling their products. The growth in the number of merchants using Shopify has been nothing short of astronomical. Millions of businesses across approximately 175 countries rely on Shopify. This vast and diverse merchant base creates a network effect. The more merchants that join, the more valuable the platform becomes, attracting even more merchants and developers. Let's talk about gross merchandise volume, or GMV. This is a key metric for Shopify, representing the total dollar value of orders processed through their platform. In recent years, their GMV has exploded, showcasing the sheer scale of commerce happening on Shopify. We're talking hundreds of billions of dollars flowing through their system annually. Shopify's revenue model is twofold. First, there's subscription solutions revenue, which comes from the recurring monthly fees merchants pay to use the platform. These plans are tiered, catering to different business sizes and needs, providing a stable and predictable revenue stream. Then there's merchant solutions revenue. This segment includes things like payment processing fees from Shopify Payments, transaction fees, Shopify shipping revenue, and revenue from other services like Shopify Capital, which offers funding to merchants. As merchants sell more, Shopify makes more. The beauty of the merchant solutions segment is that its growth is directly tied to the success of its merchants. When Shopify helps its merchants thrive and sell more products, Shopify's own revenue from these solutions naturally increases. Shopify Payments is a particularly strong component. By offering an integrated payment solution, Shopify simplifies transactions for merchants and captures a percentage of each sale. The adoption rate for Shopify Payments among its merchants is incredibly high, and it continues to be a major driver of revenue growth within merchant solutions. International expansion is another massive runway for growth. While Shopify has a strong presence in North America, the global e-commerce market is colossal. They are actively investing in localizing their platform, supporting more languages and currencies, and integrating with regional payment gateways and shipping providers. This global push is key to their long-term vision. For larger businesses and enterprises, Shopify offers Shopify Plus. This is a more robust, customizable, and scalable version of the platform designed for high-volume merchants and established brands. Attracting these larger clients not only brings in higher subscription fees, but also significantly boosts GMV and merchant solutions revenue. Ultimately, investing in Shopify is a bet on the enduring power of entrepreneurship and the unstoppable trend of digital commerce. Now let's shift gears from the digital marketplace to the cutting edge of medical science with our second monster growth stock, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol VRTX. This company is a true pioneer in the biotech industry, known for developing transformative medicines for serious diseases. particularly in areas with high unmet medical need. Vertex has made its name by tackling cystic fibrosis, CF, a rare life-shortening genetic disease that affects the lungs and digestive system. Before Vertex came along, treatments for CF primarily managed symptoms. Vertex, however, developed drugs that target the underlying cause of the disease, fundamentally changing the lives of patients. Their CF franchise is nothing short of revolutionary. Drugs like 𝗗𝗜𝗏𝗗𝗧 or 𝗗𝗑𝗫, and especially their latest combination therapy, 𝗗𝗓𝗏𝗏, marketed as 𝗗𝗑𝗏 in Europe, have dramatically improved lung function, reduced hospitalizations, and enhanced the quality of life for tens of thousands of CF patients. This is innovation with a profound human impact. The impact of these treatments cannot be overstated. For many CF patients, Vertex's medicines have turned a debilitating and often fatal disease into a manageable chronic condition. This success has not only been a triumph for patients and their families but has also established Vertex as the undisputed leader in the CF market. This market dominance in cystic fibrosis provides Vertex with a very strong and growing revenue stream. 𝗗𝗏𝗏𝗃 in particular has been a blockbuster, significantly expanding the number of CF patients eligible for treatment with Vertex's medicines. This provides a solid financial foundation for the company's future endeavors. The revenue generated from their CF drugs is substantial, allowing Vertex to invest heavily in research and development, which is the lifeblood of any biotech company. Their strong profitability and robust balance sheet give them the financial firepower to pursue innovative science and expand their pipeline into new disease areas. And that's where the long-term growth story for Vertex gets incredibly exciting: their pipeline beyond CF. While CF will remain a core part of their business for years to come, Vertex is strategically diversifying and aiming to replicate its CF success in other serious diseases. This is key to their 10-year growth potential. One of the most promising areas is gene editing, particularly their collaboration with CRISPR Therapeutics on 𝗗𝗓𝗏𝗃, brand name 𝗗𝗑𝗏𝗃. This is a groundbreaking gene editing therapy for sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia, two inherited blood disorders that cause immense suffering. The potential here is enormous. 𝗗𝗓𝗏𝗃 recently received landmark approvals, marking it as one of the first CRISPR-based therapies to reach patients. This is a monumental achievement, not just for Vertex and CRISPR, but for the entire field of genetic medicine. It opens up a completely new therapeutic modality with the potential to offer functional cures. Beyond gene editing for blood disorders, Vertex is also exploring treatments for a range of other conditions. They have programs in APOL1-mediated kidney disease, a common cause of kidney failure, particularly in individuals of African descent. Success here would address a huge unmet need. Pain is another significant area of focus. Vertex is developing a new class of non-opioid pain medications that selectively target sodium channels. Given the ongoing opioid crisis, a highly effective and non-addictive pain treatment would be a massive commercial success and a societal boon. Their lead candidate in this area is showing promising data. Diabetes is yet another frontier Vertex is tackling, specifically type 1 diabetes. They are working on cell therapies that could potentially provide a functional cure by replacing the insulin-producing islet cells that are destroyed in type 1 diabetes. This is ambitious, high-reward science. Strategic acquisitions and partnerships are also part of Vertex's growth strategy. They actively look for external innovation that complements their internal R&D efforts, allowing them to access new technologies, talent, and drug candidates. This helps them stay at the forefront of scientific discovery. The management team at Vertex is highly regarded, with a strong track record of scientific excellence and commercial execution. Led by CEO Dr. 𝗗𝗏𝗏𝗧, the company has a clear vision for leveraging its scientific expertise to bring transformative medicines to patients. Strong leadership is critical in the complex biotech world. Navigating the regulatory landscape is a key challenge for any biotech company. Gaining approval from agencies like the FDA and EMA requires rigorous clinical trials and robust data. Vertex has demonstrated its ability to successfully navigate this process with its CF drugs and now with 𝗗𝗓𝗏𝗃. So there you have it, Shopify and Vertex Pharmaceuticals, two absolute monster growth stocks that I believe have the potential to deliver incredible returns over the next decade. Shopify is revolutionizing e-commerce, empowering businesses globally, while Vertex is at the forefront of biotech innovation, changing lives with groundbreaking treatments. These aren't just short-term plays. They are companies shaping the future of their respective industries. Investing in businesses with such strong fundamentals, massive market opportunities, and visionary leadership is how long-term wealth is built. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments, no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you.